Grant, what are you playing with? What are you playing with? Nummy, 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 nummy. Is that nummy, 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 nummy? Are you laughing? What happened to your rattle? Where'd your rattle go? What happened to it? Did you drop it? Did you drop your rattle? Yeah? Did you? Yeah, you're a little flirt with the camera. Grant. Yeah? You're sitting up like a big boy. You look like a big boy. You pick up your rattle? You want Mom to pick it up for you? Now bring your hand in. Yeah, or bring that one up. One of the two. There you go. Good job. Straight to the mouth. Straight to the mouth. Is it good? Look at that drooly face. Where'd it go? Can you get it? Can you pick it up? You're thinking about it. Can you reach your hand down there and get it? Oh, okay. That's what you got Mom for. Is that what you got Mom for? Do you want it? You gotta let go of your bib first. You have to let go of that one to get this. You can't hold both. You can't hold both. You have to let go of the bib. There you go. Now open your hand. Good job. Good job. Where to go? That's a fun game, huh, Grant? Is that a fun game? Is that a fun game? Yeah, that's a fun game. You drop it and Mom picks it up. Are you Mommy's little monster?